Hi, everybody. My name is Brittany Clark, and I'm going to be discussing the prompts for Workshop 5.4 and trying to draw on some personal experiences in order to do that. So, first of all, portfolio management as it relates to health information systems is not just the execution and the delivery of projects. And while that's really important, portfolio management focuses on getting those projects executed and delivered correctly, but also in the right timing for the organization. We've all been there when projects have been initiated, and you think to yourself, why are we changing this? Why are we doing this? How does this even relate to any of the changes that we're trying to make right now? So, if organizations aren't great at explaining the why behind the direction that they're going, it can make it really difficult to get everybody on board. Two interfaces that really need to work together for my organization are the scheduling book in Cerner, which is our software that we use for scheduling, and ZocDoc, which is another interface that makes self-scheduling available for the public, where they can schedule for their own physician. We've had changes related to our scheduling books that broke the link between those two systems, and times were showing up as available on ZocDoc that were not actually available. So we had patients walking in for appointments that they actually did not have. So of course we were scrambling to try to make that work, try to work patients in and just kind of salvage that patient experience. But it doesn't reflect well on the organization, doesn't reflect well on the office. It also doesn't really reflect well on the provider, which when you're in family medicine, one of the main things that you focus on for that patient-provider relationship is trust. So if you break that, you're not going to be able to reconcile that. So if portfolio management would have been utilized correctly there, we could have notified our ZocDoc contacts of the scheduling changes or ran a test to see if there would be any conflicts. Another solution would have been just to put ZocDoc in downtime so that during that change, at least appointments wouldn't be made in error. These experiences, ultimately become lessons learned, and hopefully the teams responsible and the organization learn something from them for next time.